Welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. What I'm going to share with you all inside of this video is the cause of all the massive fluctuation you have been seeing inside of the crypto space when it comes to Bitcoin. I'm going to share my opinion when I believe it's actually going to end. And at the ending of the video, I'm going to show you how good it still is actually doing and why you should still consider holding on to BTC. Now, before we jump inside of the video, be sure to comment wherever you are in the world, your country, so I can put it inside of the description of each and every one of my video. Would really love to know where you all are viewing from. So, Grayscale is actually the company that's causing all of this massive dumpage. If you take a look right here, which is called this is a ETFs GBTC sell off to affect BTC, and that is what has been happening since January. At the beginning of the year, GBTC initial stash is roughly 691 162 BTC. That is quite a lot of BTC. Was valued around $25 billion, with exchange traded product having suffered almost 4 billion outflow. So that is what has been they have been selling off. So it's actually roughly down about 21 billion in liquidations, but quite a lot to go still, guys. Quite a lot. They have now gotten started when it comes to selling off. Crypto market analysts have predicted that BTC price would likely remain stagnant or plunge until the 21 billion liquidation is completed due to the selling pressure from process. BTC has already fallen under, well, this is an older article, right? We all know we're still in the 60s at this current moment when it comes to BTC. Now, these are the various sell-off that has been happening since January. You can see the sold off on January the 16th, the 18th, the 22nd, the 23rd, and the 24th. An average amount is around 13,000 plus, 14,000, 14,000, 15,000. The lowest sell-off they have so far is actually around 2,000 BTC. So this is what is actually driving down price. And to be quite honest, this is actually going to go on till late 2024, November into early 2025. Now, let me share with you why. Two reasons, right? If you go across here, at this current moment, Grayscale BTF Trust stands at 333,619,000 BTC. So close to half of what they have because they had almost, well over 600,000. So just around 40-45% have been sell off. And still you can see sitting our $22 billion in Bitcoin still. We have iShare, which is BlackRock, and Fidelity. Oh no, what is really good, all of these ETF along private members are buying up Bitcoin as soon as it hits the market. So that is why when you see it dipped from like 70 to 69, and then you see we saw one recently from 69 to 64, and it has already pushing back up above 60, going to 67. That is because there's a lot of buying pressure. And the only way for them to suppress the growth of Bitcoin price is by selling off. And this is the only company stalling that process of keeping Bitcoin. Now, guys, you have to understand there's a lot of big players in the crypto space at this current moment. This is not your regular retailers that is in the market. These are people who know money, who has trillions of dollars. And if they can get in at 65 rather than 75, why not keep the price down or even drive it down low? And that is what Grayscale is doing. Who is to tell they can wake up and sell off 100? You can see over 300, 100,000 Bitcoin in one. If they were to sell off 100,000 in one day, that would send price probably plummeting to about 30%, 20% down. Probably it will go from 65 all the way down to even close to late 40s. Anything is possible, guys. Right? Just for these big players to get into the market. But the good thing, this have to happen. It will happen. And I'm sharing this to keep you and mentally know that, hey, this is going to happen. But soon as this is all finished, the price is going to go back up. So anytime you see a massive dip, don't be even, don't be moved, don't be bothered and feel like that is the end of crypto, that is the end of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going back down. No, it will go back down. They have hundreds of thousands of Bitcoin, over 22 billion still, and most of it will sell off, guys. They may not sell off all, but they are selling it at certain times, probably like two, three times every month, or even four times. If they sell like this every four times, so always expect a variation. So even after the halving, and this is going to affect the halving, in when I say affected, it's going to actually, when they sell off, even when the halving take place, they're still going to continue selling off two to three times or even more every month. And that is going to keep suppressing the price of Bitcoin. But that can only happen for a period of time. Once they sell off, the price is actually going to skyrocket. So don't be moved by the dips you have been seeing inside of BTC. If you go across here to the track, and this is another reason why a lot of people are leaving Grayscale ETF on, guys, because it just don't make sense. Check this out, guys. Let me pull this in closer. So this is Grayscale at the top. They are the largest holding right now in terms of Bitcoin to ETF, because they are a digital company. Their fee is 1.5%. Watch BlackRock, Fidelity, Ash 21 share, Bitwise. Some even have 0%. 0%, guys, fees. 0% fees. But all the top players have 0.25. So why Grayscale are not dropping their percentage? Only they alone know, guys. Only they alone know why they are not dropping their fees, right? Only they alone know. So a lot of people are moving away from Grayscale into BlackRock, into the different Bitcoin ETF, which just simply makes sense, because if they are same company, if they are, it is a same product from different companies, but same product, and I am paying way less for it, why not? Why not take out my product, which is Bitcoin, and go to another company that is offering way less fees? And that is how simple it is. So a lot of people will be leaving Grayscale and going into these other ETF because it is the same product, which is Bitcoin, and they are paying less fees on their capital, guys. So you expect late November going into 2025, it will continuously have sell off with Bitcoin. Expect massive price dip. Expect it to be fluctuating for the entire year. But the good thing, when this is all done, it is going to get back. And regardless of all of that going on, if you come across here to the crypto bubble and I click on Bitcoin for the year, Bitcoin is still about 134%. Just imagine investing 10,000, 20,000, $30,000 in Bitcoin at the beginning of the year. You would have already earned, regardless of all these price dips and fluctuation, 134% on your investment, guys. Which bank, which institution is actually going to pay you this amount? So don't be moved by the fluctuation, guys. Bitcoin is the number one asset to have right now in the world. It will only have 21 million, no more, no less. These big players know that, and they will do absolutely everything to get your Bitcoin. I would recommend stand your ground, do not sell. If I go across to this chart here, take a look at this. Now, this is inflows and outflows of the top Bitcoin wallets in the world. I want to zoom this in a little bit for you. So this is Binance is on top here. This wallet, this is one of the wallets. I've been through this. There are about 5 or 6 wallets. They have quite. This one has 16 billion. This is Bitfinex, which is another exchange. If I scroll here, another Binance wallet. This one has 4 billion. This is Bybit, another exchange. Another cold wallet. You know, cold wallet is offline wallets. 2.5 billion. Binance again. Binance, another cold wallet. 2 billion. Binance, guys, has a ton of Bitcoin. in reserve. So those have in and out transaction, but take a look at this, right? On the far left here, where you see the mouse is the out, so which means how much transaction that particular wallet have actually made. And this is what I want to share with you. So we have the date here. This one is since 2011. 2011. So you know, guys, this one has over 79,000 Bitcoin, $5.2 billion. $5.2 billion this wallet holds in Bitcoin and have never sent out a single transaction. And I can go through this list here, guys. Can see, can go through this list here. I scroll down, see all here. No transaction, only ins. If I go to the second page, you can see all of this. Have a look at this. All of this is only ins, no out. Look at this. Only ins, no out. And these wallets are from, let me see, 2018, 2018, 2018, 2018, 2018, 2018. I've seen a lot since 2011. What I'm really trying to share with you guys here, there are a lot of people who are holding Bitcoin since 2011, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2018, and have never, well, some probably maybe lost. We know that a certain percent of Bitcoin has been lost forever because people didn't take it serious, they minded, they do all kind of thing with the computer. But there's quite a lot of wallet that is buying on a daily basis. They are not selling, they are holding, and the reason that they are holding because they know Bitcoin is going to reach 150, quarter million, half a million, and eventually 1 million per token because of the supply and demand for Bitcoin. So regardless of what you are seeing and hearing, what is happening in the space, this is not financial advice, but definitely get some satoshis, hold it in a cold wallet, put it away for the future, guys. It can be life changing. So this is all I have for you inside of this video. Hope you did get some value. Like, share, definitely subscribe, and I will catch you inside of my next video.